Another area that we use the calculator are for square roots and other roots. They're quite often used in Pythagoras, other trigonometry. So the first things we're going to look at are how do I square root a number, then how do I enter a different root, and what about fractional roots. So again, I've shown 3 examples of how we're going to work through our questions. So the first one is the simplest. Evaluate the square root of 169. So if we look on the calculator, we can see the square root button just here. Okay, so the key is to enter the square root button first. It opens up with a box here, and we just simply type in 169 and press equals. Now quite often this will give you a fraction or a decimal, but in this case I've chosen a nice number that gives us a nice easy number. So we then move on a step. So rather than being square root, now we've got this 4 in front of it. So how do we enter this 4? If you look at the calculator, you'll see we've got above the power button, we have a square root with 2 boxes here. Okay, this is the button we're looking to do. Now because it's in yellow and gold, we're going to use our shift button. So to activate the key, just simply shift and the power button. You can see it opens up nicely, and what we've got there mirrors nicely what we've got here. So we just type in 4, move our way across into the number, type in our 1296, and then equals to give us an answer of 6. And then probably the most difficult thing that we'll have to do is if we've got a fractional root. Again, we just use exactly the same process that we just did for the 4, but we have to add an extra step in. So again, shift and the power button to get our root. Now this we need a fraction, so we've already used the fractional button, so we just simply press the fraction button and it changes. 2 down to 3 into our box to get 64. Just take care to make sure you write in the numbers in the correct place. What I've got on the screen mirrors exactly what my question says. Press equals and I get my answer, which is 512.